Georgia.
Welcome, dear explorers, to the Island of Knowledge. I took you to an amazing place that looks like a mountain covered with snow, even though there is no frost there at all. We explored where the white terraces of Pamukkale in Turkey come from, why they are full of warm water, and what makes nature able to build such bright steps for a very long time. I invited you to discover this geological curiosity together. At the Reef of Secrets, I met Ara and Turtle. Ara said that the cotton terraces of Pamukkale must have formed because the earth released warm foam, like from a big bath, for hundreds of years. This foam hardened layer by layer until white steps for giants appeared. Turtle thought that the rocks there probably soaked in hot water for so long that they softened like chalk. Then the sun dried them white and smoothed them into even bowls, so each could hold water like a stone tub. Their ideas made me smile. So I explained to them that these terraces are not foam or dried chalk. They form when warm water rich in calcium flows down a slope and leaves a white deposit that creates travertine. In the stone circle, I met Toucan and Little Elephant. Toucan told me he once saw a place where water dripping on stone left a light coating after drying. It was easier for him to understand that if such mineral water flows for a very long time, it can gradually build bigger and bigger white edges. Little Elephant said he remembered a vessel that, after many contacts with water, developed a hard deposit. Thanks to that, he understood that a similar principle works in Pamukkale, only on a huge scale and with hot springs involved. I confirmed these were good examples because in Pamukkale, minerals carried by water really settle layer by layer and create bright terraces over a long time. At the Pirates' Haven, I met Bat and Sloth. I asked them what they knew about the cotton terraces of Pamukkale in Turkey. Bat answered that these are natural travertine terraces formed thanks to warm thermal waters carrying many calcium compounds. When the water reaches the surface, it leaves a white deposit, building new steps and bowls. Sloth added that the place is protected because its look depends on a delicate balance between water flow and mineral deposits. So, too much movement and improper use could damage the color and structure of the terraces. I praised them for their great knowledge. Pamukkale is the result of the long action of thermal waters and calcium carbonate deposits. Dear researchers, today you learned about a place that looks soft like cotton, although it was built by minerals carried by warm water. Remember that the cotton terraces of Pamukkale are nature's work, which for a very long time deposits white sediment and creates bright steps and bowls from it. It is also worth remembering that such natural wonders are beautiful but delicate, so they must be protected. See you on the next journeys for knowledge.